Hello, good evening to all my YouTube friends. Today I will show you in this video how a large egret caught a big fish. He tried many times, several times to swallow the fish, but fish size is too big, so he cannot swallow big fish. Then he leaves finally in the water. So you will see this video till end, how he caught big fish and how he tried to eat the fish. So many birds roaming around there, but for other birds that fish size is big fish. So the other bird also not try to take from the egret. Pond heron is around there. Ibis also there. So you will see how they avoid when the size is too big.
Large and
Because big size of the fish
medium
create the problem for birds also. So then they feel it's too big, then they live in the water. And you see how for food the white ibis fighting for food. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. This is my humble request. Leave your valuable comment to improve my YouTube channel. Thank you very much to keep watch my YouTube channel. So you see all birds, they like to feed in very shallow water because they can get very easy food there, and they are not worried about the crocodile because they can watch very easily crocodile around there. So all birds, they like to feed in shallow water bodies, and there is a lot of aquatic plant because underneath aquatic plant many fish, many frog and other small insects. So all birds, they like to feed that kind of water bodies. So you see in this video how pond heron, how egret and how white ibis and red water lapwing roaming around that water body.